Xpert-60's leather cream contains a unique blend of natural ingredients that replenish oils in leather which naturally deplete over a period of time. Leather cream restores and maintains the supple feel of leather and also improves stain resistance. Always shake the bottle before use. Apply leather cream with a clean, soft cloth. Leather cream should be rubbed gently into the surface area until the cream is fully absorbed by the leather. Leather cream can be used on leather seats, dashboards and fascias, door cards, as well as household furniture. To keep your leather in tip-top condition, use the Xpert-60 leather cream.